Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to click that good old subscribe button down below so you can join the squad, of course. And also turn your bells on so you will be notified every time I upload. So you guys, I do have this green glitter look for you guys, and I did like some browns on there and got it all good looking, okay? And if you guys want to see how I got this, then keep on watching. Hey guys, once again, so I'm just going to start by priming my lids, and I'm just going in with this LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, and I also did go in with the shade Warm Honey, but I did not show it. And I'm just going to put that all over the lids and then blend it out. So I'm going to go in with this Juvia's Place palette. It's the Zulu palette, and I'm going to take that yellow shade and start my transition. And I'm going to just put that underneath the brow bone. And yeah, we're just going to blend it on in there. So next I'm going to go in with this orange shade out of the same palette, and I'm going to blend it underneath that yellow, and I'm going to blend those two colors together. So I'm going to be going upward, blending it out upward, if that makes sense. So I do want to apologize for the background noise and also me being out of focus on my video. Like, I'm a little slightly out of focus, but you can still see what's going on, you guys. You know, that thing. So I do want to apologize for that. And I'm just going in with this brown shade from the same palette, and I'm gonna just blend that, you know, in the crease area, and blend that out with the orange. And then I'm gonna go back and forth in between those colors that I had already used previously, just to blend it out and make sure nothing is harsh looking. So for anybody that's curious or wondering, I am on the phone right now with my sister having a conversation. So that's why you see my mouth moving. So I'm going to go in one of my favorite Morphe palettes, which is the 3502 palette. And I'm going to just take that shade Muddy and just kind of darken up that crease some more. You know what I'm saying? So it can look real snatched like when we get ready to cut it. Then I'm going to go in with this Wiz, which is a black shade, and do the same as that. Make it even darker, you guys. So I'm going to go in with this Cut Crease canvas, and it's in the shade Halo. And this is my first time using this, you guys. And I must say, I really do like it. Like, it's the same as their concealer. Like, it has the same type of consistency. Like, it does the same exact thing, but this shade, I don't know. It's slight different, but at the same time, it's like it feels the same on my face, on my eyes, or whatever. Like, I've cut my crease in my previous videos with, you know, their concealer, and it's like the same. So I'm gonna go in with this blue shade, and you guys, I'm showing you both blues, but I only used the darker blue on my lid. The other lighter blue had like shimmers in it. It was like a shimmer, and I didn't use that because I am going to go in and add this glitter. So I'm going to go ahead and do my liner because I just like the way it looks versus over glitter. Like, I don't know, it kind of look a little choppy or clunky looking when you do the liner after you add glitter. So yeah, going in with this NYX glitter primer, and all of that good stuff. And I did also go in with that Maybelline mascara that I always use. I love it. And yeah, I'm just gonna go in with this greenish turquoise type. It's like a light turquoise, sea green, I don't know, it's a lot of different colors. And I'm gonna just add that on top of there. And the glitter is from Flutter by Row, and they be having a lot of glitter sales. You know, they be selling their glitters for like $1, and I always pick up a lot of them when they selling them on sale. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much what I'm just doing. So then I'm gonna go in with my liner again and just kind of touch up the little pieces where a little bit of glitter might have fell, just to clean it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying. And then I'm gonna go in with these lashes from Pastel Lashes, and they are in the style Stubborn, and I do have a code for those who are wanting to purchase, and that's it. So this is the complete look, you guys. I topped it off with like a new lip. Yeah, I probably will just be uploading pictures of this look on my Instagram and my Twitter and all my other social networks, so you can follow me on that, and I will list it in the description box. But for the most part, this is how the look is looking, you guys. This is how it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this and me doing this look for you guys. It was just so simple to do, and I just made it very extra with just adding a little glitter on there. Okay, so if you guys like this look, don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. Comment your thoughts down below. Subscribe to my channel. It will help me out so much, you guys. And I do appreciate everybody who supports and genuinely watches my stuff, you guys. So I will be popping out more content, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.